Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain some of the questions, not some, 8 questions. Today we are going to discuss 8 questions. The 8 questions that I am going to discuss today are what is Node.js and how does it differ from Apache or PHP? And second question is what is callback function in Node.js and why are they used in async programming? Third question we discuss what is the purpose of package.json in Node.js project? What is the difference between require and import in Node.js? What is middleware in Express.js? Fourth question. And fifth question. And sixth question is what is RESTful API and how can you create one in either Node.js or Express.js? And seventh question, then what is npm and how do you use it? What is important of fast source in web apps? These are the questions that we are going to discuss today. Coming to the first question, what is Node.js and how does it differ from Apache or PHP? అంటే Node.js అంటే ఏంది, అది PHPకి ఎలా డిఫరెంట్ అయ్యి ఉంది అన్నది. Node.js అంటే రన్ టైమ్. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome V8 engine. Chrome V8 engineలో JavaScript runtime కోసం బిల్డ్ చేసిందాన్ని Node.js అంటాం. అదేంటంటే మనం that uses only one thread. Unlike Apache or PHP, they uses multiple threads and for every function they create multiple threads. But in case of the Node.js, only create one function and does all the work such as event driven non-blocking IO on only one thread and can handle thousands of concurrent connections effectively without creating new threads of each request and making it perfect for real-time apps like chat or video and రియల్ టైంలో వాట్సాప్ లాంటి వాటికి నోట్ చేసి మంచిగా పర్ఫెక్ట్ యూజ్ అయ్యిద్ది. అయితే నౌ కమింగ్ టు సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ఎ కాల్ బ్యాక్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇన్ Node.js and why are they used in async programming? కాల్ బ్యాక్ ఫంక్షన్ అంటే ఏంది, Node.js ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఎలా వాడతారు? కాల్ బ్యాక్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ పాస్డ్ యాజ్ అన్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ టు అనదర్ ఫంక్షన్ is called once the task is done. It is only used once after passing as an argument. In Node.js, callbacks are used as asynchronous tasks like reading files or querying database, so app does not freeze while waiting. Example, here is the example. What is the purpose of package.json in Node.js project? Package.json is the heart of the Node.js project. It defines the purpose of the package.json is the project name, version, script, dependencies, metadata. It helps to manage everything in automation also. Difference between require and import in Node.js. Require is a common JS in default Node.js. Import is a ESC module syntax, never newer and must be enabled with the type module in pack. For every time we should be enabled. Use require for older Node.js setups and import if you prefer modern JavaScript and use bundles. What is middleware in Express.js? Middleware is a function that has access to request, response, and next function in the Express pipeline. You can use for log request, handle authentication, purpose data. Example app. Here you can see the app.uses. We pass the arguments such as request, response, next. What is RESTful API and how can you create one in Node.js? అయితే ఇక్కడ మనకి రెస్ట్‌ఫుల్ ఏపీఐ అంటే ఏంటంటే it's a type of API that uses the principles of representation state transfer. REST means representation state transfer to facilitate communication between different software applications or systems. The RESTful API are designed to be simple, efficient, scalable, making them popular for building web services and applications. The principles that followed by the RESTful APIs are get, read data, create data, update it, delete it. Get for read data, post for create data, and put for update data, delete for remove data. With Express.js, here you can get a request response. Each endpoint corresponds to a resource like user HTTP defines. What is NPM and how do you use it? NPM is a node package manager, manages packages for Node.js project. Some npm.init creates package.json. npm installs express to your projects. npm installs all the dependencies from your package.json. It helps automate and organize project setup. What is the importance of hash password in the web? Before going to the question, I want to explain about what is hash. Hash is hash 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 passwords. Hashing passwords ensures if the database is composed, user passwords remain protected. Hashed passwords are the one-way encrypted. They cannot be reversed. Hash means unique. They cannot be reversed. Where you can be encrypted is only one way, but you cannot decrypt. The libraries like JS code copy. Always salt and hash before storing. Thank you.